Hey, Laika, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Hey, Laika, do you want to go outside? You say hello. Hello. Hey, Laika. Come here. Come here. Come to the door. Hey, Laika, can you say hello? Hello. 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 Say hello. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hello. Hey, Laika, you speak to me. You speak. Please. Pretty please. Say hello. 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 Hello, Laika. How are you today? Hello. Hello, Laika. Hello, Laika. Hello. 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 Will you speak? You say hello. Say hello. Now speak. Speak. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Gotta speak first. Can you speak first? Speak. Now, want to go play? Do you know where your bone is at? Tell me hello, and let's go find your bone. Say hello. 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 What was that? What? I can't hear you. What? I say hello some more. Can you speak to me? Speak. Are you ready to go outside and find your bone? You ready? Want to go for a ride outside? Okay, let's go outside.